Hello, world. Welcome, I am your host Mr. Stag. Today we will be taking a deep dive into Carl Icahn's top 10 public investment holdings in Q3 2021. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Carl Icahn is an American activist shareholder. He is the founder and controlling shareholder of Icahn Enterprises, a public company and diversified conglomerate holding company based in New York City. Icahn takes large stakes in companies that he believes will appreciate via changes to corporate policy, and he then pressures management to make changes that he believes will benefit shareholders. He was one of the first activist shareholders and is credited with making that investment strategy mainstream for hedge funds. In the 1980s, Icahn developed a reputation as a corporate raider, after profiting from the hostile takeover and asset stripping of Trans World Airlines. Icahn is on the Forbes 400 and has a net worth of approximately $15.9 billion. Icahn has said, "My investment philosophy, generally, with exceptions, is to buy something when no one wants it." More specifically, as a contrarian investor, he identifies corporations with stock prices that are reflective of poor price-to-earnings (PE) ratios or with book values that are lower than current market valuation. Icahn would then aggressively purchase a significant position in the corporation and either calls for the election of an entirely new board of directors or the divestiture of assets in order to deliver more value to shareholders. Icahn focuses publicly on CEO compensation, saying he believes that many top executives are grossly overpaid and that their pay has little correlation to stock performance. Carl Icahn's largest public position is Icahn Enterprises LP, ticker symbol IEP. He currently owns 247,122,106 shares valued at $12.34 billion. Icahn Enterprises LP is an American conglomerate that has investments in various industries including energy, automotive, food packaging, metals, real estate and home fashion. The company was founded by Icahn on February 17, 1987. The company is controlled by Carl Icahn, who owns 95% of it. In November 2020, Icahn Enterprises reported third-quarter losses of $714 million, which is one of the biggest losses in corporate history. Carl Icahn's second-largest public position is Cheniere Energy Inc., ticker symbol LNG. He currently owns 16,168,606 shares valued at $1.58 billion. Icahn owns 6.38% of the company. Cheniere Energy, Inc. is a liquefied natural gas (LNG) company. In February 2016 it became the first U.S. company to export liquefied natural gas. In 2016 Cheniere founder Sharif Souki was ousted after a dispute with investor Carl Icahn. In 2018 Cheniere Energy signed an agreement with CPC Corporation, Taiwan to supply liquefied natural gas for 25 years in a contract worth approximately $25 billion US dollars. Deliveries to Taiwan are set to begin in 2021. Carl Icahn's third-largest public position is Occidental Petroleum Corp., ticker symbol OXY. He currently owns 45,346 shares valued at $1.33 billion. Icahn owns 4.82% of the company. Occidental Petroleum Corporation is an American company engaged in hydrocarbon exploration in the United States, the Middle East, and Colombia, as well as petrochemical manufacturing in the United States, Canada, and Chile. The company is ranked 167th on the Fortune 500 and 669th on the Forbes Global 2000. Carl Icahn's fourth-largest public position is CVR Energy Inc., ticker symbol CVI. He currently owns 71,198,718 shares valued at $1.19 billion. Icahn owns 70.82% of the company. CVR Energy, Inc., through its subsidiaries, engages in petroleum refining and nitrogen fertilizer manufacturing activities in the United States. The company operates through two segments, petroleum and nitrogen fertilizer. The petroleum segment refines and markets gasoline, diesel fuel, and other refined products. It owns and operates a coking medium sour crude oil refinery in southeast Kansas, and a crude oil refinery in Wynwood, Oklahoma, as well as supporting logistics assets. This segment primarily serves retailers, railroads, farm cooperatives, and other refiners, marketers. The nitrogen fertilizer segment owns and operates a nitrogen fertilizer plant in North America that utilizes a pet coke gasification process to produce nitrogen fertilizer products, and a nitrogen fertilizer facility in East Dubuque, Illinois that produces nitrogen fertilizers in the form of ammonia and urea ammonium nitrate, UAN. It primarily markets UAN products to agricultural customers, and ammonia products to agricultural and industrial customers. Carl Icahn's fifth largest public position is Newell Brands Inc., ticker symbol NWL. He currently owns 43,704,616 shares valued at $968 million. Icahn owns 10.27% of the company. Newell Brands Inc. designs, manufactures, sources, and distributes consumer and commercial products worldwide. Its appliances and cookware segment offers household products, including kitchen appliances, gourmet cookware, bakeware, and cutlery. The company's commercial solutions segment provides commercial cleaning and maintenance solutions, closet and garage organization, hygiene systems and material handling solutions, and home and security, and smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Its home solutions segment offers food and home storage, fresh preserving, vacuum sealing, and home fragrance products. The company's learning and development segment provides writing instruments, including markers and highlighters, pens, and pencils, art products, activity-based adhesive and cutting products, labeling solutions, and baby gear and infant care. Its outdoor and recreation segment offers products for outdoor and outdoor-related activities. The company markets its products to warehouse clubs, department stores, grocery stores, mass merchants, specialty retailers, distributors and e-commerce companies, home centers, sporting goods retailers, office superstores and supply stores, contract stationers, and travel retailers. Most of popular Newell brands you might recognize are the Rubbermaid, Mr. Coffee, Sunbeam, Sharpie, Expo, and Coleman. Carl Icahn's sixth largest public position is Bausch Health Companies Inc., ticker symbol BHC. He currently owns 34,109,152 shares valued at $950 million. Icahn owns 9.49% of the company. Bausch Health Companies Inc. develops, manufactures, and markets a range of pharmaceutical, medical device, and over-the-counter (OTC) products primarily in the therapeutic areas of eye health, gastroenterology, and dermatology. The company operates through four segments: Bausch & Lomb, International, Salix, Orthodermatologics, and Diversified Products. The Bausch & Lomb International segment offers products with a focus on the vision care, surgical, and consumer and ophthalmology RX products in the United States, and Salter products, branded and generic pharmaceutical products, OTC products, and medical device products, and Bausch & Lomb products in Canada, Europe, Asia, Australia, Latin America, Africa, and the Middle East. The Salix segment provides gastroenterology products. The ortho-dermatologics segment offers dermatological products, and Salter medical aesthetic devices. The diversified products segment provides pharmaceutical products in the areas of neurology and other therapeutic classes, as well as generic and dentistry products. The company was formerly known as Valeon Pharmaceuticals International, Inc. and changed its name to Bausch Health Companies Inc. in July 2018. Carl Icahn's seventh largest public position is Cloudera Inc., ticker symbol CLDR. He currently owns 52,327,391 shares valued at $836 million. Cloudera, Inc. is a Santa Clara, California-based company that provides an enterprise data cloud accessible via a subscription fee. Built on open-source technology, Cloudera's platform uses analytics and machine learning to yield insights from data through a secure connection. Cloudera's platform works across hybrid, multi-cloud and on-premises architectures and provides multi-function analytics throughout the edge-to-AI data lifecycle. As of January 31, 2021, the company had approximately 1,800 customers. In October 2021, KKR and Clayton, Dubilier and Rice acquired the company for $5.3 billion. Carl Icahn's eighth largest public position is Herc Holdings, ticker symbol HRI. He currently owns 4,494,789 shares valued at $735 million. Icahn owns 5.64% of the company. Herc Holdings Inc., through its subsidiaries, operates as an equipment rental supplier primarily in the United States and internationally. It rents aerial, earth-moving, material handling, trucks and trailers, air compressors, compaction, and lighting equipment. The company also provides Pro Solutions, an industry-specific solution-based services, such as power generation, climate control, remediation and restoration, and studio and production equipment, and Pro Contractor professional-grade tools. Carl Icahn's ninth largest public position is First Energy Corp., ticker symbol FE. He currently owns 18,967,757 shares valued at $676 million. Icahn owns 3.48% of the company. First Energy Corp., through its subsidiaries, generates, transmits, and distributes electricity in the United States. The company operates through regulated distribution and regulated transmission segments. It operates 24,035 circuit miles of overhead and underground transmission lines, and electric distribution systems, including 272,531 miles of overhead pole line and underground conduit carrying primary, secondary, and street lighting circuits, as well as owned substations with a total installed transformer capacity of approximately 155,920,348 kVA. Icahn's 10th largest public position is Xerox Holdings Corp., ticker symbol XRX. He currently owns 31,142,681 shares valued at $628 million. Icahn owns 17.99% of the company. Xerox Holdings Corporation, a workplace technology company, designs, develops, and sells document management systems and solutions in the United States, Europe, Canada, and internationally. It offers intelligent workplace services, and digital services that leverage its software capabilities in workflow automation, personalization and communication software, content management solutions, and digitization services. The company also provides desktop monochrome, and color and multifunction printers, digital printing presses and light production devices, and solutions, graphic communications and production solutions, and IT services, such as PC and network infrastructure, communications technology, and network administration, as well as cloud and on-server support services. The company sells its products and services directly to its customers through its direct sales force, as well as through independent agents, dealers, value-added resellers, systems integrators, and the web. Xerox throughout the latter half of the 20th century was always in the top 100 companies in the world. Today Xerox is on the bottom of the Fortune 500 list. Investors should avoid herd mentality in the world of investing, as something that is popular among the masses may not always be a correct investment bet. None of Icahn's top 10 holdings are popular stocks held by the masses such as Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. Icahn still manages to make millions despite not being involved in hottest stocks on the market. Tell us what you think about Carl Icahn's portfolio in the comment section below. Mr. Stag logging off.